I bet you're wondering where I've been. Sorry guys, I know it's been like 2 months since I made a video. Some things have been happening, some things are changing in my life. I have been really busy, and I know that a lot of people who do videos will say that whenever they didn't upload consistently that 1 week or whatever that I wanted to do, 1 week, 1 video a week, whatever. But you know, here come the excuses. I am really busy now. I thought I was busy before with the whole buying a house, getting married thing. Really busy now. Got a lot of things going on, which it's all good things. I mean, I have no complaints. But very limited on time. So things that have been going on is I'm helping my buddy. Him and his brother opened a shop, a local like performance shop, automotive repair shop. I have been helping those guys. We're trying to turn that into something big. So that's where a lot of my time gets dedicated to now, because I get off at Nissan at like 6 p.m. and then at 6:30, 6:45 I will shoot over to that other shop. We will work there in our afternoons because we still all have normal full-time jobs. We'll work there till pretty late. Could be 12, could be 2 a.m., could be whatever time, you know. So we've been doing that, trying to do it every day of the week pretty much. I usually am not there Sunday, spending time with my wife, but yeah, so that's what's been going on with that. I can't really say a whole bunch about that. And then I will put like our Facebook though for that shop in the description, as well as more things that have been going on. Yeah, just really just busy. I'm trying to figure out how to manage my time, learn this new schedule. It will all work out in the end, no matter how it plays out. But for now, we are limited on time. So please, if you work with me, that would be freaking awesome. So, because I don't really want to stop making videos, as this channel is doing pretty good. I mean, you guys are killing it with the whole 200 subscribers. I think we're about to be at 200. I think I was at 195 earlier, as well as like 25,000 views. So that one video of me building the SR or finishing it with my wife or whatever, that video is, I think it's 16,000 views on one video. That's a pretty good deal. That's a lot of views, especially for me. Like, that's just a lot. It's crazy that you guys go and watch these videos and then come back and watch more. I don't know. I just don't know how to put it in like spec, but I do greatly appreciate it. If I seem a little out of it, it's because we had a long weekend. We went to Hot Import Nights Dallas. I should have done some more filming there, but again, it was for my buddy who opened the shop. He has a t-shirt clothing company. I will put his link in the description to his clothes. Really nice clothes, very fairly priced, and it's all JDM inspired. A lot of good stuff going on. He's got an R32 GTR, 600 horsepower car. Some huge things are coming for that car that I will be a part of, as far as with the shop. So, and then also, what was I going? Oh yeah, we went to Hot Import Nights to do that for, you know, the whole booth thing. We'll be going to another show in a month on June 2nd, I believe. We should all be in Dallas again for another show, but I'll follow up on that later, and that'd be pretty cool to like meet somebody. But as far as what I've been doing, as far as like the car, they have been having some neglect problems with the car because we're always so busy. But I do have like a cool update with the car that I would like to tell you. But as far as for this thing, let me turn the camera around. As far as for this car, things are changing for it, I guess you could say. Sorry. But so I'm on some Mickey Thompson slicks. Don't look to the right, or in that reflection, you don't want to see that. Those are Mickey Thompson slicks, or not slicks, Street ET Street R's. Those are 245, 45, 17, I think, so they fit the Inkies instead of those big goofy wheels I had before. Car's looking okay. Put a ACT 6-puck unsprung racing clutch in it, as the other one I was on the drag strip about 2 months ago, and at about 90 miles an hour the pressure plate flew apart, hit the bellow housing, did a lot of nasty stuff to it. But God, my voice is ruined from the weekend. But anyways, yeah, same thing, SR power plant, whatever. We're getting some of the kinks worked out with it. It's been really reliable, have no complaints, except it did break in Dallas this last weekend. We towed them there. I went and bought a car hauler and everything. So it was towed. Me and my buddy with the GTR basically cruised the streets of Dallas in it, went to the show, whatever, did great at the show. People loved the car, which was nice. I did do an uncracked dash in the car, so as far as that goes, the dash looks really good. That's his brand right there, AE, on that, whatchamacallit, air freshener. Okay, and then to get to something that's new, that I wasn't didn't know how to tell you guys. So, as far as you guys know, I'm really not into the whole drifting scene pretty much at all. There's nothing against it, it's just that where I live, the tracks, there's really no tracks. So, never thought about doing it, never had any, you know, you get inspiration, but there's just no way I could do it. Not, you know what I mean. But, so I did build this S14 as a grip car. It's been a grip car its entire life. It's not a drag car, even though it's got the drag tires, it's not. It's to have fun on the streets. I don't do anything ridiculous like street racing or anything like that, but you know, occasionally whenever you're on the weekend or whatever and you're on the highway and you want to do something, you can. The car grip's phenomenal with that setup. It's still on an open diff, so that bites me, but this car's direction is going to change. We were gonna strip it, cage it, make it like an all-out grip circuit car. That could still possibly happen. But I picked up another car, amazing deal off of a buddy. It is wrecked. It's an all-out drift car. I don't know what I want to do with it, mainly because I don't really need a drift car at the same aspect of like the tracks deal. I do want to go drifting, I want to try it, and if I like it, hell, that could be exactly what the car is doing. I mean, I'll have to make a video giving you a full deal on the car, but I will give you some right now. So, let me turn this around. I know it's a bungee corded headlight. It's a S13, it's a 91, fully stripped, whatever. You got the Sparco seat, you know, some gauges, no HVAC box. So, like I said, it is an S13, 240. It's pretty straight bodied, I guess, minus the front, how it doesn't have any fenders, and that's because, like I said, it was hit, hence to as why I got a great deal. But the quarters are okay, except this one, it does have a little bit of a boo-boo right there. So that sucks because we're gonna do over fenders in the back. I already have them, I just need to put them on. So we're gonna do 50mm over fenders on the back. It's on some like STR wheels, not really familiar with the brand. Didn't really care about the whole car, plan on getting rid of it at first, just taking the engine. Bunch of suspensions all done up just like it is on this thing. It's on ISR coils. I gotta say they ride freaking terrible, but it's got some angle mods. Obviously we're rocking that camber with the extended lower control arms. This is where the boo-boo was. It had fenders and a hood on it, but I ripped them off as he did get in a collision, and I have to give you this. The bash bar totally saved this car. Barely even touched the intercooler. I mean, it did push the frame back just a tiny bit, right down there where that crease is, but nothing terrible. So that's actually really good. I did have this like bungee strap so I can just drive this thing at night. Just we don't have some weird like aim laws. Okay, so like I said, I did have a bungee strap because we don't really have any aim laws. I just wanted to be able to drive it at nighttime without getting pulled over. So this one does have an RB25 in it. Switched over to the single throttle body. Good upgrades on it. I don't know if it's a real gritty. The grains are super fine on the aluminum, so it makes me think that it is. Huge single throttle body, vibrant performance intercooler kit. We do have some rubbing going on with the fan. They did kind of sketchily do this core support. I don't know if I would have tucked it if I was them or do that. But it does have a power steering cooler on it. Like I said, the angle mods, a Gretty, a fake Gretty blowout valve. You see the mass airflow is not connected. It is on a Haltech, so I got the Haltech, the RB25, the car, all of it for a stupid good price. Seems like a super healthy RB. It's only on like 7 pounds of boost, so nothing crazy. So even with the Haltech, they did keep it really conservative. And I know the kid I live, and he daily drove this thing for like 2 years as a super clean S13 that was just set up for drifting, and he didn't really use it for that either. Sorry, this camera is just not focusing. But yeah, so we do have that project. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I love how this thing sounds, but it's another one of those things that I don't know really why I have it other than the fact that it has an RB in it. So God, this camera is like not. But yeah guys, so like I was saying, sorry, I was talking to my wife and the chair like just broke. So we do have this car now. I don't know, like I said, what the hell we're gonna do with this car. I want to give you like a full review of like everything that this vehicle has. But at the moment I really can't, because I haven't even lifted the thing in the air, to be honest with you. I know it has an aluminum one-piece drive shaft just by looking under there, but let me know what you guys think about this car and the second 240 on the channel. Like I was saying, this thing is stayed pretty much the same. Good running condition, SR20, high horsepower, blah blah blah. So yeah, so I'm gonna throw some links in the doobly-doo down below, and I just appreciate you guys watching, and I hope that you enjoyed this little bitty update. Not that it's really anything serious at all. Just tired after hot import nights and driving around Dallas a lot. So I'm gonna throw in some pictures probably of hot import nights and how that, like, you know, just our booth setup. We did win best booth, or best vendors booth or whatever, and then another one of our friends won hottest JDM with the 71, I think, Nissan Skyline. So yeah, it was pretty cool, and like I said, I'm gonna throw those in probably right now while I'm talking, just because I can. I think that's pretty much it, guys. So follow me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, whatever you want to do, and check out the links down below, and I'll do a bunch of them, so that way you can keep up with me without me updating you on YouTube all the time, because honestly the videos of working on cars is probably going to go way down for about, I don't want to lie to you, it could be a few months easily. So, but I will still love to update you guys and let you know what I'm doing, and let you know how the car's running. And I do want to make some driving videos, as I should have in Dallas, and I think I'm just going to find a different way to do it without having to work on them here, because a lot of my stuff is at that other shop, and either way you guys are going to see. And you're going to want to follow that GTR stuff whenever we change that to like a monster, because that's going to be a huge deal, and we're hoping to be known for what we're going to do to that car. We will have, hopefully, I don't know, there's going to be some sweet things if we do make this next show June 2nd. There will be some cool stuff there that we did. But if you follow our Facebook, or our Instagram and our Facebook page, that would be really cool, because then you can see what we're doing as a garage and all that stuff. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your dedication to the channel, for real, and thank you for just blowing up while I have not been making videos. Just don't think that I've been sitting around. There has been a lot of things in the works in the background that will work out for my future, as well as just everything and the content that I'm going to create. So I appreciate it, guys, and y'all be careful, and thank you.